Hey there, Savvy Savers! Welcome back to Money Does Matters channel, where we break down personal finance in a way that's easy to understand and actually fun. Today, we're diving into 10 personal finance rules that school never taught you. Let's get started! Rule number 1, your credit score is like your financial GPA. Just like in school, having a good credit score opens doors and gives you access to better opportunities. So, pay those bills on time and keep that credit utilization low. Now, on to rule number 2, budgeting is your best friend. School may not have taught you this, but knowing where your money is going each month is crucial. Create a budget and stick to it like your favorite playlist on repeat. Rule number 3, emergency funds are like financial superheroes. Life throws unexpected curveballs, so having an emergency fund stocked up is like having your own personal financial superhero to save the day when things go awry. Next up, rule number 4, investing isn't just for the wealthy. Forget what you've heard, investing isn't just for Wall Street tycoons. Start small, educate yourself, and watch your money grow over time like a well-tended garden. Rule number 5, pay yourself first. School may have taught you to pay your debts first, but don't forget to prioritize yourself too. Set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before paying the bills. Moving on to rule number 6, mindset matters. Your attitude towards money can make all the difference. Adopting a growth mindset and believing in your ability to improve your financial situation can lead to big wins down the road. Rule number 7, debt can be a double-edged sword. While some debt can be helpful, like a mortgage or student loans, high-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control. Tackle those high-interest debts first and watch your financial freedom soar. Rule number 8, diversify your income streams. Relying solely on one source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Explore side hustles, passive income opportunities, and investments to create a more stable financial future. Now, on to rule number 9, financial literacy is key. School may have taught you algebra, but did it teach you how to file taxes or build credit? Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance to avoid costly mistakes in the future. And finally, rule number 10, don't forget to enjoy life along the way. While it's important to save for the future and be financially responsible, don't forget to treat yourself every now and then. After all, what's the point of money if you can't enjoy it? So there you have it, 10 personal finance rules that school never taught you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Money Does Matters for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments which rule resonated with you the most. Until next time, stay financially savvy. Bye for now.